Hello guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we're going to solve the OR question under question number 9. This is a sum of partnership. If you have missed out the previous videos, do check out the entire playlist from the description box below. And if you don't want to miss out any future videos, then you have to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications. This is for partnership PL Appro. Here we are required to pass closing journal entries for Roma's drawings account and prepare the PL appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 22. All right, so let's do it one by one and let's pick up the entries as we go along. Ruma and Neha, they started their business on 1st April 21 with fixed capitals. Now, fixed is the word to be noted, very, very important here, of 4 lakh and 3 lakh 50,000 respectively. On 1st October, they decided that their total capital, again fixed, should be 8 lakhs in their profit sharing ratio of 3 is to 2. All right, so their new capitals, let's calculate. Let's go here at the working notes. The new capitals of Ruma and Neha from 1st October, right? So let's do that. New capitals, that will be total of 8 lakhs. That means 8 lakhs multiplied by 3 by 5, that is 4 lakh 80,000. And for Neha, that will be again 8 lakhs multiplied by 2 by 5, that will be 3 lakh 20,000. So this will be effective from 1st October. So 1st October 21. This will be required for interest calculation. Okay. And if you see here, the very next sentence only talks about the interest on capital at the rate 10% per annum. So let's calculate that. And any extra or capital will be withdrawn, or any shortage in capital will be brought in by the partners. All right. So let's do the journal entry as well for that. We'll come to that one by one. So for here, let's do the interest on capital calculation. Okay. For Ruma, how much will be the interest on capital for the first 6 months? Now, from April 1st till 30th September is 6 months, and from 1st October till 31st March is 6 months. We have to break down the entire calculation. Okay, so interest on capital from 1st April, or you can write 1/4/21 to 30th September 21, right? 6 months. How much will that be? That will be calculated on 4 lakhs multiplied by 10 by 100, right? Multiplied by 6 by 12, right? This will give us the interest rate for the first 6 months. So let's calculate that here as well. That's 20,000. Okay. Same thing, we have to do it for Neha as well. So we can shift this entire calculation for our reference to here so that we can use it as a reference and this entire thing can be brought up here. Okay. So for Neha, how much do we get? That is 3,50,000 multiplied by again 10 by 100 multiplied by 6 by 12, right? That's overlapping, right? Let's write it here. Now if you do the calculation, how much do we get? That's 17,500. Okay, that is for the first 6 months. Let's do it for the remaining 6 months. So this will be interest on capital from 1st October 21 till 31st March 22, which is again 6 months. So let's do the calculation here again, and this time this will be 4,80,000, right? So if in the same calculation we just replace the amount here, make it 4,80,000, we get 24,000, and the same calculation that we did here for Neha, let's write it here, then we have to replace 3,50,000 with 3,20,000, right? So let's do the calculation and we get 16,000. Okay, so total capital, if you want to just do the total for both of them, total interest on capital is 44,000 for Roma and 33,500 for Neha. This is what we are going to put in the PL Pro account as interest on capital for both these partners, right? So let's go back to the question. What do we have? Step by step. So accordingly, let's do the entry for this one in the PL Pro account and write down 2 interest on capital straight away. Okay, and we have the two partners, Ruma and Neha. We write their respective amounts we just now calculated, which is 44,000 and 33,500. Okay, so having done that, let's do the total and we get 77,500 for that. So interest on capital is sorted. Let's move on to number B. A monthly salary of 1,000 each to be allowed to both Ruma and Neha. So let's do that. This will become two partners' salary. Alright. Again, we write both the partners' name here. 1,000 per month is 12,000 for both of them. So that becomes 24,000 for both of them together. So partner salary is sorted as well. Let's move on to number C. Interest on drawings to be charged at the rate 18% per annum. So let's come to the credit side by interest on drawings, leaving some space for calculation of profit and loss if there is any. And if you see, Ruma had only withdrawn 12,000 rupees during the year, and as per the deed, the interest on her drawings amounting to rupees 1080 to be charged from her. So we don't have to do any calculation for interest on drawings. It's already given in the question to make things a little easier for us. All right. So let's move on to the next part. During the year 31st March 22, the firm earned a net profit of 2,04,000. So let's make the entry for that by profit and loss account. Okay, this is net profit, and we have to write that figure in the inner column because we have an adjustment to make. All right, so let's do that. Let's bring this down. We have to bring some of it down here. So let's cut this off from here and let's write it here. Profit and loss account. The amount is 2,04,000. All right. Then what do we have here? We have, as per the question, the firm had manager's commission and interest on bank loan. Now, both of these are item of profit and loss account. So we need to deduct that. So manager's commission has to be deducted, that is 20,400. So reading the question is important to understand what all adjustments to be done here. And then you have less bank loan, interest on bank loan. So interest on bank loan, that comes to how much? 4,000. All right. So if you do the final calculation, how much do we get? Let's do it. It's 1,79,600. We can bring the interest a little further down to make things clearer, and we can bring the entire salary up here. Okay, so this is done till here. Let's see, let's move on with the question. What else do we have? There are no further adjustments. So here we can find out our profit or loss from PL appropriation. Roman 1 says give the journal entry to close Ruma's drawings account. Let's do that first. Let's come here. The date of the drawings not given, it's drawn during the year. So the first amount that is going to be the first journal will be Ruma's drawings account, or yeah, Ruma's drawings account we can write. Ruma's drawings account debit to bank account. This is the money which Ruma has withdrawn, and the amount is 12,000. All right. Now this will be transferred to Ruma's current account, and that is where the fixed word comes into picture. If the fixed word was not used, then this would have been passed through Ruma's capital account, but now this will be passed to Ruma's current account. So Ruma's current account will be debited. So Ruma's current account debit to Ruma's drawings account. All right. So the same 12,000 is transferred, and this is closed by transferring it to her drawings account. So the journal is done. Point number one, question number one is solved. Question number two, let's now complete the PL Pro by calculating the profit that we have. So let's do it. 1,80,680 is the total. Let's do that. 2 share of profit transferred to. This will be again Ruma's current account and Neha's current account. All right. So let's calculate how much is the profit, which will be this minus these two figures, 79,180. And if we do the calculation into, we have 3 by 5 and we have 2 by 5. This comes out as our interest, the share of profit, and this becomes our answer. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments box below. We'll catch you all in the next video with the next set of questions that we have. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.